Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your normal video to 4K Ultra HD on your phone. Okay, let's get into it. For today's tutorial, we're going to use this Wank application to convert our normal video to 4K quality. You can get this application from your Play Store or Apple Store if you are the iPhone users. And then after you have installed this application, you just need to open this application on your phone. And then you have to choose this quality restoration feature. Just click on this feature and then we can select Ultra HD and we can click on try now. And then for instance, I'm going to convert this video and we just need to wait until the process has completed. We have to wait until 100%. Okay, and this is the result, guys. This is the comparison before and after. Once you're done, you just need to click on save. Okay, and that's how we can convert normal video to 4K Ultra HD on Wank application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.